Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, December 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, on the pound yen, I still think this is very likely going to end up being three waves down for most likely a wave four before it actually makes another push up for the bigger wave five. So, anyways, let's keep going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it definitely looks like the wave B is over. I do see an alternative count on this, which possibly would have this going up again before it goes down. But right now, it does look like the wave B is over. It looks like an A, it looks like a B, and it looks like we potentially should be continuing the downtrend for the wave C of wave 4. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like I said, it looks like the correction is already over, and if the correction is over, then the daily time frame should continue to make lower lows, lower highs, going down for that wave C of wave 4. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, as long as this continues to make lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, then I would continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. If it breaks the series of lower lows, lower highs, then you can definitely start looking for longs. But just keep in mind that any moves you see to the upside are very likely still going to be corrections to the downtrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, this is the last series of lower lows, lower highs. So as long as it doesn't break this, I personally am still looking for shorts in a downtrend. If I see three waves up, especially if it's like a Fibonacci retracement on this last push down, and then I see three waves up, a Fibonacci bounce, and a nice engulfing move to the downside, I definitely would take it as a short. If price does decide to go up and break structure, then I would definitely start looking for buys again. But I would also keep in mind that even if it does break structure, it's probably still just a correction to the downtrend on the daily and weekly time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.